Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you fix your MSI monitor display port which is having no signal. So here's a fix for your cable, input, GPU settings and driver. Fix 1. Check the DisplayPort cable. Make sure the DisplayPort cable is firmly connected to both the monitor and your PC. Disconnect and reconnect the cable at both the ends. Try a different DisplayPort cable, preferably a certified DP 1.4 or DP 2.1 cable if your device is supported. If your monitor has multiple DisplayPort inputs, you can try another port. Fix 2. Select the correct input source. Press the monitor's OSD button, go to Input Source, select Display Port, confirm the selection and wait for a few seconds. Fix 3. You can restart both the devices. Turn off the monitor, shut down your PC completely, unplug the monitor from power for about 30 seconds, reconnect the power and then turn on the monitor and start the PC. Fix 4. Test another display port on your monitor. Connect the monitor to a different DisplayPort output on your graphics card. If available, you can connect the PC to another monitor using DisplayPort. This helps you to determine whether the problem is with the monitor, cable, or graphics card. Fix 5. Update your graphics driver. Download and install the latest driver for your graphics card. For NVIDIA, use the NVIDIA app or GeForce Experience. For AMD, use AMD software, that's the Adrenaline Edition. For Intel, you can use Intel driver or support assistant. Restart your computer after updating. Fix 6. Check your display settings. Press Windows plus P. Select Duplicate or Extend. Then open Settings, select System, and then go to Display. Click Detect if the monitor isn't listed. Fix 7. Power cycle the monitor. Turn off the monitor, unplug the power cable, wait for about 1 minute. Hold the monitor's power button for 10 to 15 seconds while unplugged. Reconnect power and turn the monitor back on. Fix 8. Reset the monitor. Open the OSD menu, go to Settings, select Reset or Factory Reset, confirm the reset. Fix 9. You need to check for BIOS or UEFI if there's no display at startup. Ensure the graphics card is fully seated in the PCIe slot. If your CPU has integrated graphics, connect the monitor to the motherboard's display port to test. Verify the graphics card has all required power connectors attached. Fix 10. Update the monitor firmware. If MSI has released newer firmware for your monitor, updating it may fix DisplayPort compatibility issues. You need to check the support page for your specific monitor model and follow MSI's firmware update instructions. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.